Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Salesforce.com Inc. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by researching Salesforce.com Inc. to understand its business model and market position. Visit the official Salesforce website to gather information on their products and services. Use financial news sources to keep up with recent developments related to Salesforce. Open a brokerage account if you don't have one already. Choose a brokerage that fits your needs, considering factors like fees and features. Complete the registration process and verify your identity as required by your chosen brokerage. Fund your brokerage account with the amount you plan to invest in Salesforce. Navigate to the trading platform provided by your brokerage. Search for Salesforce.com Inc. using its ticker symbol, CRM. Review the stock's current price and historical performance. Decide how many shares you want to purchase. Place a market order to buy shares at the current market price or a limit order to specify a price. Confirm your order details before finalizing the purchase. Monitor your investment regularly to stay updated on Salesforce's performance. Consider setting alerts for significant market changes or company announcements. Review your overall investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Stay informed about financial news and updates related to Salesforce. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized advice regarding your investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.